Pro Tips.
And Pro Tips is for people like you 10 weeks ago who maybe haven't bought their first one yet or looking to buy their first one. And do you have any advice for them as they're looking to buy their first laundromat?
I think I have two things that are huge for a newbie. I'm still a newbie, but I'm a little more... I'm a little less newbie.
You're a step ahead.
Yeah, step ahead. Thank you. I couldn't put it. Thank you.
Yeah.
So I think something that could be very rewarding is the laundromat you're buying. For instance, the one that we bought had lots of improvement needed to be done, which means lots of growth, which means we can kind of grow it how we want. We have that control. If you go in to buy a laundromat and it's where it should be in your eyes, like you have no vision for growing it, you don't see any improvements, then basically it's controlling you in a way because you're not affecting it the way you're not putting your personal touches on it, your little touches. But when we went into this business, it needed help. It was good, and I have all respect for the previous owners. They maintained the machines, they cleaned. They did a beautiful job keeping the machines going. However, the place was boring color, dated. Dated. Yeah. And like I said, totally understandable when these two people aren't living in Big Bear, so totally get it. But when we were buying, I saw a vision. I had, boom, my head just exploded with what I want to do. We want to do paint. We want to do speakers. We want to have music. We want to have TV. We want to have just cool stuff, right? And now that's all in my control. I can put my little touches. And that could be another little pro tip into that is
yes, I like it.
Yeah, here's a bonus tip. So if you are a little younger, it's I don't know why, but I just know, we know technology, not saying older people don't. You can still learn. I think we just grow up with that that modern age, the technology at the time, and we just play with it and figure it out. I think that's another advantage is having technology on your side, because a lot of laundromat owners will not want to have any sort of automation or technology related devices, but it could really help in the long run. Yeah. And to kind of go from that, my second tip, I would say, is another thing from the music business. It's funny because music actually helps you remember things. So I make sure to always play music in my laundromat and I just play Spotify. The playlist that we play is called, there's a playlist that has very clean music. We play clean music. We don't want to offend anybody.
Like death metal, right?
Yeah. We just play screamo all day. Yeah. It's a family-friendly place, depending on your laundromat, unless it's, where bikers come and hang out, then cool. But the
biker laundromats are popularity.
But for us, it's family-friendly place, so we play clean. It's called Top Hits, Today's Morning. I forget, it's on Spotify's thing. But so if you hear a song that you like, you're singing along, and you're at our laundromat, and the brand recognition, it ties into that. These all synergize. It all synergizes with each other. You're going to remember the logo. You're going to remember the smell that we use to clean with. You're going to remember that dryer that didn't work, but the guy came and helped you. All because of the music, scientifically, is proven to help your memory. While you're listening to music, you have better memory. You can call things back easier. So, and it doesn't hurt, it doesn't hurt to have some clean music playing. So that's just a little thing we've been playing around with.
Yeah, totally. And I love that because, it kind of goes back to that brand recognition thing, right? Like you're creating a feeling for people. And that's exactly what you're saying right now, right? Like if you are playing, some clean music, it's fun, it's upbeat or whatever. And, somebody hears a song they like while they're doing their laundry, folding their socks or whatever. It creates a feeling in them. And that feeling is something that people want to hold on to. And it creates that customer loyalty. And it's a really easy way to do that. So, having a brand and playing music, those little touches like that, it's a big deal. You know, they add up and they are meaningful things. So I think those are awesome pro tips for newbies and for current owners who are, you know, running their stuff right now too. So man, kudos. That was like 2 plus a bonus one. That was like, geez, man, just giving the house away today. I love it. I love it. Man, I was just going to ask you something. It was like a genius question. But I forget what it was. Maybe it'll come back. It'll come back. You know what? I'm part of that older generation that you were talking about, that we don't know technology. We, you know,
I didn't mean it like that.
Fall, you know?
I totally, you know.
No, I'm just kidding. Hey, well,